Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see innerText property in JavaScript. We have taken p tag or paragraph. Here we have given strong tag. Here we have given space. Here we have given b tag. Here we have given br tag. We have taken get element by id method. This is the id today, and with alert we are going to see the effect of innerText property. If we see in browser, we can see now we get the plain text, tags are removed and space is also removed. Let's see another example of innerText property. We have taken label enter password, then first text box for password having id pass, label re-enter password, another text box for password having id pass new, on key up event having function check, span id pass check for password checking. For proper alignment we have given style for label. If we see in browser, no validation, we need function check. we have created function check, and with the help of getElementById method, value of first text box of password stored in variable A and value of second text box of password stored in variable B with the help of getElementById method. We want to show the message in this span, so ID of span, and here innerText method. Here is the condition checking. If password in first text box and password in second text box are similar, at that time password matching is stored in ans variable. If password in first text box and password in second text box are different, then password not matching is stored in ans variable, and value of ans variable is showing with innerText property. If we see in browser, if we give here A, B, C, and here A, B, C, password matching. If we now password is not matching. If we give here A and if we give here A, password matching. If we give in this way, innerText property is used for validation purpose also. That's all for innerText property in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.